especially for Julius Malema and the EFF members in South Africa. This is to the Pan-Africans in South Africa. I'll begin with Julius Malema. You are a very great leader. Yes, I really admire you. A lot of Africans admire you. African diaspora admire you. But the reason why most Africans admire you is when you speak down on your own people, when you insult your own people, when you cannot speak to the wrong other Africans are doing in your country. This is why you have a lot of Africans and those in the diaspora supporting you, because people like you to put your own people down before they can like you. Stay with me. So, you know, there are several ways to go about things. Okay? You cannot love me when you cannot love your own people first. You cannot respect me. You cannot claim to respect me when you cannot respect your own people first. This is the reason why a lot of you good leaders are in opposition. And I'm telling you emphatically, because of history. Julius Malema, there are a lot of people around you who do not want you to succeed. That is why they cannot give you good advice. I am saying this because I'm from Ghana, and I know those so-called Pan-African who live in my country. They don't care about the people in my country. They don't care when my country is going through, the people in my country are going through something they are not supposed to go through. They don't care. And they cannot speak on the wrong that other Africans do in my country in the name of Pan-Africanism. So now it is getting to look like Pan-Africanism means putting others above your own. But you are forgetting that I cannot vote for you. The diaspora cannot vote for you. A Sierra Leonean cannot vote for you. Other African countries cannot vote for you. But it is people in your own country who can vote for you. Unless you want to be a celebrity on social media. If you really want power, learn how to speak to your people. Oh, I can hear you can say, oh, maybe your people are not awoken. Oh, your people don't know what they are doing. But you'll always have to find a way to go through your people as a leader, as a bigger person. Don't be comfortable coming out and insulting your people and then saying anything to them. Because at the end of the day, they are the ones who are going to vote for you. And I will tell you, Africans are very ungrateful. Africans are very ungrateful because what is happening in South Africa, they have forgotten that there's Julius Malema. They have forgotten that there are EFF members who put other Africans above their own people, risking your life and putting your career online for we Africans. I'm advising you, Julius Malema, and the people of EFF, because right now I understand whatever is happening in South Africa, because the same thing is happening in my country. So I'm in a better place to say this. We want you to come to power. Africans like the way you speak for black people all over the world, but learn how to speak to your own people. EFF members, learn how to put your own people first. Listen, you can be a nationalist and be a Pan-African at the same time, but a lot of you are Pan-African, not nationalist. So if you're not a nationalist, you don't have the best interest of your country, then your people will turn against you. A whole lot of Africans are against South Africa. So if you guys want to do the same thing, as a matter of fact, it is because of you and it's because of the so-called Pan-African in South Africa, that is why people can disrespect your people. If a Nigerian speak to me anyhow, if anybody from any country speak to me anyhow, it's because my people have disrespected me, or they have been in places where my people disrespect me. That's why they can feel comfortable. And I'm saying this without any apology. If you want to come to power, learn how to speak to your people. Learn to be the bigger person. Find a way to speak to your people so they will understand you. Other than that, you'll be in opposition for a very long time. This is a very uncomfortable message, but I say it with no apology. Thank you.